This is MarketFX, and today I'll be analyzing Usdjpy as usual. Last week we identified this good support right here, the supports, and we expected the market to give us this nice break retest, then come back to this zone before we see a push to the downside. So due to FOMC, the market really didn't get to that zone before we had this strong push to the downside. Let me clear the chart a little bit, make it look more neat. Okay, clear all these guys. So like I was saying, guys, we kind of found this zone right here. So we're expecting the market to give us a very nice push. After we have this break, then the retest. Because this is place we got our buy entry to go long, but unfortunately, after we had this high here, FOMC news came and we had this push to the downside. And if you look, seems like the market is giving us like an inducement right there, just like I said about last 2 weeks on this pair. Market is giving us a very nice inducement, and this is a very good thing because of after this inducement, like telling us the market will really want to come and take out this zone. The market will really want to come sweep out this liquidity right here. Then we have this push, probably give us a break of structure, then give us a very right confirmation that okay, we want to head to the downside, like properly head to the downside. So let's start from the weekly. Let's clear the charts. So clear the charts. So let's start from the weekly. On the weekly, what are we seeing? Okay, you can see on the weekly, just like we always do, this very nice strong zone right here, this very strong zone, the zone that we always see because of the acted as resistance here, acted as resistance, acted as resistance, give us a demand zone there, acted as supports. We had this break, acted as support here, give us a fake breakout, and now have something like this, then a push back to the downside, probably take out this low, or we have a bounce, market bounce off from that zone. So this is kind of my long-term projection on USDJPY. So let's drop down to the daily. So on the daily time frame, what are we seeing? Like, what are we seeing? What is the market giving us? You trade what you see in the market, not what you feel, or okay, this is what I feel is happening. We are currently on a downtrend. Like we see here, a pretty downtrend after we had this break of structure, this change of character here. The market just kept trending down, and the market will likely continue to trend down. But for the market to continue to trend down, it needs liquidity to do those things. So it keep on grabbing liquidity, looking for a way to get a lot of liquidity to come back to this zone, either bounce back or it will keep on giving inducements and liquidity grab to push to this downside. Just push straight down. The market does not really move that way. So what are we seeing? The market is giving us this morning star, and this morning star is telling us this place, this zone, the market will likely come back to this zone, just like we saw last week here. I said the market will push to this zone. So FOMC really did not give us that nice push, but the market will likely come back to that zone because of now we now have an inducement on top of this zone, just like we saw in the 4-hour time frame. So this is basically what I say, basically what I'm seeing. Let me clear the charts. Clear the charts. So on the 4-hour, go down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour, what are we seeing? Like, what is the market giving us? Like, what are we seeing? You know, a lot of people just keep trading. They're not really seeing what they're like. Okay, if this one happen, getting the full picture is very important while trading. So just like we marked out last week, we marked out this zone, right? We marked out this zone. The market might still give us a very nice push. Let me say, gives us something like this. It's also a buy opportunity to go long. It's also a very nice buy opportunity. If the market give me this, I'll still go long. But remember, the market is coming here to grab liquidity. You know, grab some liquidity, few more orders to push down. That's what the market is coming there to do. It's not coming there to give us a break. It might even continue up, but at least this is what we are seeing for now. This is what we are seeing for now. So basically for this week, I'm expecting for the market to either do one of these two things this week. I'm expecting the market to give me a very short buy from this zone, at least to clear this inducement here. Make it 1:3. It's a 3, okay. Very nice. Then after the inducement has been cleared, after we take out this inducement here, after the market takes out this inducement, let me say the market give us bounce, take out this inducement, then I want to see a very sharp sell that gives me a very nice break of structure. Then I'll be going in for a sell position after I see a very nice break of structure. And this one I'll be going is a very long-term position. I'll be aiming to take out this low, because this is the structural swing low. So this is just what I'm expecting for the market to give us this week. So if you find this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs. Press that button, like give this video that thumbs up. And also if you are watching the video for the first time, subscribe, so whenever I drop a nice content like this, you'll be the first person to get the content. So if you are not trading with exness, I recommend exness. For trade with exness, do well to go to my video description and sign up with exness, as I recommend exness for traders that are coming to this channel. So when next we meet again, I wish you guys a happy trading.